A bicep curl is an isolation exercise that targets the biceps brachii muscle in the front of the upper arm, better known as just the biceps. The biceps is the main muscle of the anterior compartment of the upper arm and the primary flexor of the forearm at the elbow joint. It has two heads that originate in the scapula, shoulder blade, and unite into a common tendon that inserts on the upper radius, bone of the outer forearm. Other muscles that assist in the flexion of the forearm are the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles. When a bicep curl is performed slowly and with the forearm supine, with the palm facing up, these muscles are only minimally active. To properly perform a bicep curl, hold a dumbbell weight in each hand with the arms hanging on each side of the trunk and palms facing forward. Slowly bend the arm at the elbow, lifting the weights to shoulder level. Pause at the top and slowly return to the starting position. The shoulders and upper arms should stay as stationary as possible, isolating the movement to only the flexion of the elbow.